Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Step 1. A well-structured study plan is crucial for success. Begin by understanding the exam's content and format, which covers foundational sciences. Select high-yield resources that align with your learning style. Develop a realistic schedule, allowing for flexibility and consistent review. Active learning, like practice questions, is far more effective than passive reading for long-term retention. Selecting the right resources is key to mastering the material. A robust question bank, such as UWorld, offers thousands of practice questions essential for application. First Aid for USMLE Step 1 serves as a comprehensive outline, consolidating high-yield facts. For pathology, Pathoma provides clear, concise explanations. Additionally, visual mnemonics from Sketchy Medical can significantly aid in recalling microbiology and pharmacology details. Effective study goes beyond rote memorization. Aim for deep conceptual understanding. Implement spaced repetition techniques like Anki to reinforce information over time, improving long-term recall. Regularly simulate test conditions by completing timed blocks of questions, mimicking the actual exam environment. Crucially, dedicate significant time to thoroughly reviewing all practice questions, especially those answered incorrectly, to pinpoint and address your weaknesses. Maintaining a healthy mindset is as vital as your study efforts. Prioritize adequate sleep, typically 7 to 8 hours nightly, and nutritious meals to sustain energy and focus. Incorporate stress reduction techniques, such as short breaks or exercise, to prevent burnout during your intensive study period. On exam day, trust the extensive preparation you've completed. Approach each question calmly and confidently, knowing you are well prepared.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.